Hi all, I am Varsha. My age is 37 and I stay at Crawford Market. I had this problem of sleep apnea for about a year and I had to put that machine, to get a good sleep. But after visiting Dr. Vikas Agrawal, I recently, about a month back, had a surgery for this apnea. And after a month, I have seen a vast difference in myself. The snoring has almost gone. I have reduced almost 9 kgs and my sleep is become very good. I feel fresh after getting up. So thank you doctor for having done this wonderful surgery. Thank you.
Okay, so you did your nose and throat surgery.
Yeah.
So is there any more choking left?
No. No
You used to
choking.
choke.
I used to choke but now I feel there's no choking.